The Bekaa Valley has the largest small ruminant concentration, accounting for approximately 50% and 74% of the total caprine and ovine national herd, respectively. The Bekaa contains the main pastoral communities of who own the largest flocks. Shepherds are landless and heavily depends on rangelands in spring and summer to secure more than 45% of their animals' feed. Shepherds highly rely on transhumance, and their grazing routes would reach more than 100 kilometers. The indigenous breeds of Awassi sheep and Baladi goats are highly adapted to semi-arid environments and are recognized for their ability to withstand high ambient temperatures and tolerate water deprivation. The most common systems in goat keeping are sedentary with vertical transhumance, whereas semi-nomadism and horizontal transhumance are usually adopted in sheep herds. This difference is due to the capability of the goat to reach the most marginal and difficult areas that no other ruminant can value, probably making this animal easier and cheaper to raise. Pastinnova case study area is located in Deir El Ahmar, Ainata area, owing the largest population of small ruminants, around 150,000 heads of sheep and goats. It is an area of around 11,500 hectares, extending from the Bekaa Valley all the way up the backslope of Mount Lebanon, with elevation ranging from 950 meters to 2,750 meters. Climate is cold in winter, mild during spring and autumn, dry and warm in summer, with temperatures reaching 40 degrees Celsius daily in July and August. The area has a high annual, interannual and geographical variability of climate, from semi-arid to mountain with heavy snow in the winter, 300 to 1,100 millimeters per year. Soils in the area are mostly shallow to very shallow, developed on limestone lithology, with abundant surface rockiness and stoniness. Native grasslands host a substantial diversity of flora, dominated mainly by Poa, Vicia, Trifolium, Medicago, and lotus species. Woodlands are marked by Quercus caliprinos, Juniperus excelsa, Pyrus syriaca, and Prunus korshinski. The grazing season in the region starts by October till end of April, with herders moving their stock to higher altitudes in the West region and Western Mountains, following the spring vegetation that starts to emerge by March. Summer grazing is also carried out on dry residuals of cereals and annual crops after harvest. During browsing, manure remained in the fields and contributed to replenish soil fertility levels. Working thoroughly with rural women, WADA, the Women Association of Deir El Ahmar, assists in the processing and marketing of local artisanal dairy products, in addition to other agri-food products. It also hosts workshops, trainings and seminars on silvopastoralism and associated products, in addition to various advisory services. Being prone to climate uncertainty and owing the largest population of small ruminants that thrive in controversial conditions, Deir El Ahmar Ainata area is selected by the Lebanese University as a study site for Pastinnova project. Deir El Ahmar Ainata area is a living laboratory that produces a rich basket of local dairy products, of which is the traditional kishk, a highly nutritious food in the Lebanese rural areas. Kishk is obtained by fermentation of a mixture of parboiled wheat, burgul, laban and labneh, which derive mostly from goat, cattle, sheep milk, or a mix of both goat and cattle ones. The obtained paste is fragmented and left for days in an open area before being hand-kneaded, sieved, then sun-dried and stored for 12 months. Deir El Ahmar Ainata area is also a living laboratory that attracts researchers and students to understand the silvopastoral systems in Lebanon and identify the strategies for sustainability and livelihood adaptation in a changing environment, a challenging economy, and policy uncertainties.